Hello and good morning. My name is Josef Valchar. I am the CEO and co-founder and co-owner of Robe lighting company. Introducing here a new Robe fixture called iForte. The iForte is the younger brother of the Forte fixture, which is on the market for more than 1 year. But it has a unique technology because it's the fully IP rated. IP rated means IP65 for the touring market and IP66 for the installation market. As you can see, the fixtures are here next to each other. This is the iForte and Forte next to him. So size-wise and weight-wise, they are identical. The difference in weight is just 1.5 kilograms. And this is really a fantastic achievement of our R&D team because to achieve the similar weight as the original indoor version is something new. First of all, it's because we are using magnesium alloys. So the covers are from magnesium. Magnesium is 40% lighter than aluminum alloy. So that's where we gained the weight, the reduction of the weight. We have developed here a technology called R.A.I.N.S, which R.A.I.N.S stands for the Robe Automatic Ingress Neutralization System. Inside of the fixture, we are controlling the humidity, temperature, and pressure. These are the three key factors and key features. So you need to maintain a low humidity inside, ideally below 10% or at least below 20%, because then you stop the water condensation on the internal parts or on the front lens if the temperature is changing rapidly, which it can happen in the places where it's the high humidity outside, or it can happen in the places where it's a cold weather or sudden changes of temperature or sudden rain. So then you can see quickly developing the condensation on the front lens inside. The fixture, of course, is breathing, but the air is being dried inside, and so we control the humidity below between 10 to 20%, depending on the circumstances. And what is more important is the second element of that technology, that we can check if the fixture is properly sealed. So you don't need, again, any special device for that. So you only press here a button on the display and you can execute the internal test, the pressure test, and which takes no more than 3 minutes, which is fantastic. So these tests can be run every time you turn on the fixture. If there is a problem, the fixture will report that error message. The fixture can operate under really cold temperatures, so minus 10 degrees centigrade without any condensation. If you go below minus 10, let's say minus 20, minus 25, we recommend to keep the fixture powered up. So at least the electronics is under power and the motors are under power, so that there is the heat produced inside. Not necessarily the LEDs must be on, just the fixture, the electronics, and the stepper motors are on. They generate enough heat to keep the temperature in a higher, on a higher level. And the R.A.I.N.S technology, the other technology we developed here is the special coating on the front lens, which is oleophobic and hydrophobic. So that means the lens is that there's less dirt coming on the lens, and it's easy to clean it because it's a hard coating. It is really very important, because if the water is drying out on the lens, you get the M.A.P.S there. So to remove the M.A.P.S, you need to clean it. So you can take a soft cloth, you can clean it, and no scratches at all. Another small difference between Forte and iForte is how the pan and tilt reset is processed. Here we have added the M.A.P.S technology that stands for motionless absolute positioning system. So the fixture doesn't need to move, doesn't need to execute the reset for pan and tilt. So the fixture knows where it is. So when you turn it off, even if the head goes down because of the weight, then the still fixture knows where it is. So for some limited spaces, installations, this is very handy. Of course, you can still it can still behave like a normal Forte. So then, because for some people it's useful to see, okay, the fixture is moving, is doing reset. I know the fixture is correct. So you can still, the fixture can still mimic that as well if you want to have it there. So, but we believe that for the future, the motionless reset for pan and tilt is a huge advantage. The fixture is fully packed. It has all the features which the standard Forte has. So you can combine these two products on the stage. You can swap them seamlessly because they have the same features, same gobos, same loud output, same zoom range. That's all for now. That's the iForte, and of course this technology which I mentioned here, introduced here, will be used also in other new products coming next year.